We want to adjust belt timing setting. First, unscrew the top cover screws. And we can see the teethed belt and teethed gears. Then correct the offset, gear hub mark and shaft mark. After correction made, now needle and looper intersecting point is same. After that, reassemble the top cover. Next, clearance setting of looper to right needle. We take their standard measurement. From there, corresponding feed dog model. Then, loosen their looper screw and move according to you need, and make distance 3.7 millimeters. This is for feed dog 5.6 millimeters. Then we do the needle bar height setting. Needle eye is not intersecting with the looper eye. Loosen their needle bar screw and move the needle bar downward to till needle eye intersecting with looper. Then tighten their needle bar screw. Next, looper clearance setting. First, loosen the needle guard. Move needle guard, front or back, according to your requirement. And make sure clearance is permitted level. Then tighten the needle guard screw. Next one is avoiding checking. First we want to check needle clamp in straight line. Then check right needle and looper intersecting point is same as other two needles. If not, adjust it. First, loosens avoiding system cover screw and remove the avoiding system cover. Then we can see the 3 cam and the slot, and make sure is in straight line, and then adjusts the lever down position and tighten. Then close there, avoiding system cover. More detailed individual training for single needle, overlock, flat lock, buttonhole, button attached, bar tag, and customized courses. Please contact Apparel Knowledge Center. Call 95666433334.